YouTube and X. It's your main man, BTM here, bringing you back to the BTM Crypto News Network. And as always, giving you news you can use. So this is XRP. XRP launched the ETF today. It is the Rex Share and Osprey Fund. So we're going to look at that in a minute and look at the price. And somebody mentioned as well, XRP could get to $15 this cycle. So let me know what you guys think about that. And let me start the screen share and see what we can see. So this is the article on CoinDesk. ETFs offers exposure to XRP and Dodge, debuts in the US. Products tracking two tokens offered by Rex Shares and Osprey funds listed on CBOE exchange under the ticker DOJE and XRPR. So the XRPR is the ETF for XRP, and the other one is for Dodge. So list of products from Rex Share funds started trading under ticker XRPR, and they do have it on Fidelity. So I don't know if you guys are looking for it. Non-financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes. The first exchange fund ETF offering exposure to XRP and Dogecoin started trading in the U.S. on Thursday. And generally, when they first come out, it'll come out and the price drops. And once it levels out, people will start picking it up and the price goes up. So let me know if you got it or if you're looking at it and where you're looking at it at. Put in the comments. Products offers Rex Share Osprey funds on the CBOE XZX exchange under ticker signal DOJE and XRPR. Follows Xspray Solana ETF debuted in July. DOJE recently traded at 26 and XPR at $25.75. While XPRR is structured to hold XPR directly, it will also invest in spot ETFs outside the U.S. to achieve exposure, Bloomberg intelligent analyst wrote. Now, XRP, the native token, and the financial institution payments focus on network XRP ledger and the meme coin Dodge, third largest and eighth largest crypto token market cap, according to CoinDesk data. January 2024, for many rejection delays, the Securities Exchange Commission Bitcoin funds were approved first, followed a few months later by ETFs expected to expose to Ether. Buying ETFs offer exposure to assets without having to take ownership of the underlying asset themselves, such as crypto ETFs offer means of direct exposure to cryptocurrencies without having to worry about storage, custody, and so on, making them more practical and secure means of investing for deep pocketed institutional investors. So that was one of the articles. Let's check the bubble real quick. You can see XRP is up to $3.13 from $2.99, up 0.3 on the hour, up 4.2 on the day, 2.9 for the week, 7.2 on the month, and 433 on the year. See what else we got. Brett's up 16.9. Buddy Penguin's up 16.4. Near's up 18.7. Bears up 12.2. Turbo Toad Turnup is up 9.9. XPX is up 15.8. So I guess I was wrong. Looks like the Memes are pumping. Pump it up. XCN is up 14.5. HTX is up 29.4. And I guess that's it. Let me see. ZBCN is up 2.3. AVAX is up 17.2. So that's the main hitters. We'll also do it in the live later. But this is a quick short. Let's play this short real quick. And I want to play one more and we'll get back to the news.
Early as tomorrow. Now, this isn't a huge ETF like a BlackRock ETF, but it's a start, ladies and gentlemen. It'll be trading under the ticker XRPR, and it's not on the NASDAQ or anything like that. But there's also a potential Dogecoin spot ETF coming as well. You guys like and subscribe for more stock and crypto news. Again, we are seeing the XRP ETF and Dogecoin ETF coming, and they are spot ETFs. Now, a bigger name like BlackRock or something like that would be much better, but this is definitely a start. Like and subscribe for more stock and crypto.
Shout out to that update. This is another, your main man, Martin Lucas is back on the scene. Let's see what he has to say real quick.
Breaking news for all XRP holders. We've just got the first ever spot XRP ETF launched, and we've got some crazy statistics just out. Only 90 minutes ago, this started trading, and it's already broken record at this. This is Eric, a senior Bloomberg ETF analyst, who has just said, if you look at this one over here, we'll come back to Dogecoin because that also launched. But he said about the XRP ETF, it has already had 24 million in volume. He says that is way more than I could have thought. For context, it's 5x more than any of the XRP futures ETFs did in one day, and it's only been 90 minutes. Now, if that's not bullish, I don't know what is. I am so excited for the true XRP spot ETFs to be launched in October. We'll be covering it all live on the show, so make sure you are subscribed. You can also see the Dogecoin ETF launched today. It's had 6 million. XRP has had a lot more. And tomorrow we get another ETF launching, which is the Grayscale Digital Large Cap ETF holding Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, and ADA. So I'm on my honeymoon right now. The price isn't pumping to the moon, but I expect to have a great October when all the ETFs start launching, the real spot ETFs from the big fund managers such as Franklin Templeton, CoinShares, all those ones that are coming out will be much bigger. So I just wanted to come on, give you a quick update, make sure you're subscribed. Martin's still always live. He will be covering all these events live. I'm here live from my honeymoon location. So thank you everyone for watching this short. Make sure.
So if the ETF, which is this Rex Osprey, pump the price to was that 3 to 5 cents? I wonder what's going to happen when the big boy ETFs come out, like the BlackRock and the Grayscale and the major ETFs hit. So let me know what you guys think about that in the comments. Trying to keep this video pretty short. So let's see. I think it did have another article. But yeah, so I want to run this real quick. XRP's gearing up for a breakout. The next target is $15. XRP bull flag pattern signaled a continuous uptrend towards $15, driving by institutional demand after the likely launch of the spot exchange traded fund, which is the ETF. Classic XRP price chart pattern puts $5 to $15 in play this cycle. XRP's enter mainstream financial Rex Osprey XRP ETF launch. XRP, $3.11 prices up 3% in the past 24 hours and 17% higher than its September 1st low of $2.69 to trade above $3 on Thursday. Market analysts said the positions XRP for further gains backed by several fundamental and technical factors. XRP's price technical analysis puts it at $5 to $15 in play. XRP action has painted a bull flag pattern on the weekly time frame that could result in a massive breakout to as high as $15. The first is a smaller one that formed in mid-June that was resolved early this week when the price broke above the flag's upper boundary at $3. The measured target for this pattern, the flag's height added to the breakout point of $5.80, up 46 from its current level. On the chart, on the daily chart, XRP is forming a bull flag, a continuation pattern that often signals a next leg higher, says crypto analysts, noting the emergence of the pattern in late August. The second is a bigger bull flag pattern that's formed since November 2024, projecting an even higher target for the altcoin. XRP confirmed a breakout in July rally that pushed the price towards a 9-year high above $3.66. With the pattern still in play, XRP price could continue uptrends toward the measured target of $15.80, up 408% from its current levels. So let me know what you guys think about that. Rex, XRP ETF, XRPR begins trading on the US on Thursday, which is today, after passing the XBC's 75-day review period with no objections. The fund will be the first spot XRP ETF under fully regulated oversight, marking a turning point for XRP's mainstream finance. The Osprey XRP ETF XRPF is coming this week. XRPR will be the first U.S. ETF to deliver investor spot exposure to the third largest cryptocurrency by market cap, XRP. So we're seeing this everywhere. The product's set to launch under the Investment Company Act of 1940, which provides sample approval path for Security Act of 1933 for the spot Bitcoin ETF approval process. So I'll put this on my X page. You guys can check that out as well. Do have another quick short, and then we'll call it a day.
Can someone buy 260 million XRP on Kraken and the price not tick up anyway? They have a dark pool service. They just do it direct between counterparties and don't even tell the counterparties who each other are. They do the KYB, KYC and make sure that they're both able to transact, and then they settle up the trade. They make their piece and everybody's happy. No market impact. Once there's no longer any XRP available in the dark pools, that's when you're going to see price appreciation, because they'll have to go through the exchanges and liquidity. That'll be the only place with liquidity left. How can someone buy 260 million XRP on Kraken and the price not tick up anyway?
Been trying to figure that out, why the price doesn't move. If these guys are buying it up left and right. So I think Jake kind of explains it. Let me know. Do you believe him, or do you agree with him? Does it make sense? Is it crazy? Is that far fetched? Let's go to X real quick. Make sure you sign up for the BTM Crypto News Network. So this is just in. Grayscale's digital large cap fund now includes XRP, begins trading tomorrow. All eyes on the market. So I guess the Grayscale does start tomorrow. Breaking news, SBI Holding launches SBI Hyper Deposit, automated bank security transfers. Promotional benefits include XRP gifts and lower mortgage rates. What? I'm checking into that today. Traditional finance directly embraces encryption, and XRP is about to take off. I believe it when I see it, but we're definitely ready with the XRP army. Let's freaking go, guys. Just in, DBS, Franklin Templeton, and Ripple have teamed up to introduce trading lending solutions using tokenized money market funds and RLUSD stablecoin. Okay. Just in, the Rex Offspray, probably saying that wrong. Probably been saying it wrong the whole time. ETF XRPR just surged past 24 million in trading volume within 90 minutes of launch. Wall Street is watching and can't ignore us anymore. So shout out to this trading tomorrow, Grayscale's digital large cap, and XRP is included. Get ready. This week's about to be massive for crypto. So I guess this is it. I don't want to hold you two guys too long, just kind of going through some of the updates. A lot of interesting info news for XRP. But as well, I'll see you guys tomorrow when the Grayscale launches. Let me know what you think. Will the price continue to pump? Let's check this price real quick on the way out. So we're at $3.11 on Coin Market Cap and Live Coin Watch. Coin Watch is saying it is up 0.11 on the hour, 2.8 on the day, and 2.6 for the 7 days. So yeah, $3.11 on Live Coin Watch, and CoinMarketCap's also saying $3.11. But let me know. Let me know if you like the videos. We're going to keep it pushing. And as always, let's get back to the money, guys, and stay dangerous. It's your main man BTM signing out. And see you soon. Same bat channel, same bat time. Peace and hair grease. Miners out.